Before starting a phototropic cultivation in the BioLector XT Microbioreactor, you'll first need to prepare the light array module gassing lid in a sterile environment. To do this, you'll need the gassing lid itself, cooling rods, also known as LAM cone lid, and a LAM silicone foil. Secure the cooling rods in place with the help of the fasteners. Now you're ready to prepare the Microtiter plate for your cultivation experiment. For this, you'll need the Microtiter plate, a foil perforator, a sterile barrier foil, and an additional LAM silicone foil. Due to photo bleaching effects, we recommend that you use an optode-free Microtiter plate. Proceed by filling the inner well spaces with sterile, deionized water. This is required for the enhanced cooling via the cooling rod system. Pipette the cultivation medium, the inoculum, and, if applicable, feed solutions into the corresponding Microtiter plate wells. It is recommended to transfer pH adjusting agents and feed solutions as the last step. This will help minimize potential penetration of the solutions into the microchannels. Now go ahead and apply the sterile barrier foil. This seals the wells off from the environment. Be sure to apply the foil properly and to seal all overhanging edges to the sides of the Microtiter plate. Next, apply the silicone foil on the sterile barrier foil with the help of the foil perforator. It's recommended to sterilize this tool prior to use by either autoclaving or wiping with alcohol. Place the silicone foil inside the foil perforator with the brown protective film facing upward and press it down so that the pins push through the corresponding holes in the foil. Carefully remove the protective film. Then place the assembled foil perforator on top of the Microtiter plate and press down firmly. This will also ensure the perforation of the sterile barrier foil at the inner well spaces and allow the cooling rods to slide in easily. Carefully remove the foil perforator from the Microtiter plate. Lastly, place the gassing lid on the Microtiter plate and push it down so that it sits in the correct position. Make sure to use the correct LAM gassing lid when preparing a batch or fed batch experiment.